Hello student, today we are going to start with the matrices. Now you can see in matrices, after addition, subtraction and multiplication of the matrices, we have to work out in 12th standard basically to find inverse of the matrix. Inverse of the matrix. Inverse of the matrix by adjoint method. Next one by row transformation and by column transformation. So you have to find out inverse by using three methods, that is the row transformation, column transformation and adjoint method. Second one, you have to find the value और इसको सॉल्विंग भी बोल सकते हैं, सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग इन्वर्जन मेथड और रिडक्शन मेथड. इन्वर्जन मेथड और रिडक्शन मेथड. तो जो आपके लॉजिक ऐसी जो आपके मेट्राइसिस में जो मेनली चैप्टर्स मींस मेनली टॉपिक्स वी आर गोइंग टू डील विद, दैट इज द ए इनवर्स फाइंड आउट करना रहेगा आपको एंड वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना रहेगा. ए इनवर्स बाय एडजॉइंट मेथड, बाय रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, बाय कॉलम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. To find the value or solve it by using inversion method and by using the reduction method. Dear, try to understand here in this chapter matrices, method is important. You have to concentrate on the method. You are going to get the same answer while you are finding inverse by adjoint method or by row transformation or by column transformation. You are going to get the same value of x, y, z by using inversion method or by using the reduction method. But here method is important. In exam if they ask solve find a inverse by row transformation, so you are not allowed to use the adjoint method or column transformation. Again if they want to find the value by using inversion method, so you are not allowed to use the reduction method. Okay, now I am going to take the question. Now question is from exercise 2.2. It's a page number 52. Exercise 2.2 page number 52. Question number 5. It's a fourth one. Question says find the inverse of the following matrices by the adjoint method. Here we have to use the adjoint method to find out the A inverse. Now see here, question says A is 1. I'll take down. A is 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0 and 5. Now try to understand. Find, question says find A inverse by adjoint method. Find A inverse by adjoint method. Now remember one thing, in exam if they ask to find A inverse by any of the method means by adjoint method or by row transformation or by column transformation. So first and foremost you have to find out the determinant of the matrix. Now here I am going to explain you first how to find the determinant of order 3 by 3. Yes, so in this chapter we can able to revise our determinant finding of order 3 by 3. I am going to convert the given matrix in the determinant form. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. To find the determinant of this, dear, try to understand. You have to multiply with the first row element. So in first row, I am going to write down the position. My aim is to explain you how to solve the determinant of order 3 by 3. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. This is the position of the element. Now see here, from first row element you have to multiply. So 1, and determinant always moves plus, minus, so on and so forth. Now what to do, my dear? 1 present means 1. This 1 present in the first row and the first column. So you just eliminate the element of the first row and the first column. Write down the remaining element. That is 0, 5. Again it's a minus. Second element from first row, that is 2, and this sign is the determinant sign. Now 2 present in this 1, 2 present in first row and second column. Now here our aim is to remove the first row and second column element. So it's a 0, 4, 0, 5. Next, third element, that is plus 3. Because this is the system, plus minus. So 3 present in the first row, third column. So our aim is to remove the element from the first row and the third column. So this is nothing but 0, 2, 0, 0. Now just to solve it. 1, as I explained how to solve the determinant, 2 5s are 10, minus 0, minus 2, it's a 0, 0, 0 minus 0, plus 3, it's a 0, minus 0. So it's a 10 only. In exam, remember, you are not supposed to find out determinant of the given matrix in this format. ये इतना सब आपको लिखने का जरूरत नहीं. You can directly write down this step and can able to find the determinant. This I have given you just for the explanation, just for your revision, how to solve the determinant of order 3 by 3. So I will rub these things. I got the determinant as a 10. So I got this determinant of A as a 10. It's a 10. Now we have to find out A inverse by adjoint method. Dear, to find A inverse by adjoint method, you have to follow the step. Like I am going to write down over here. Find A inverse by adjoint method. By adjoint method, what will be your step? First one, you have to find out the minor. Second one, cofactor. Third one, adjoint of the matrix. Fourth one, determinant of A. Fifth one, formula says A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So here we are going to get A inverse by adjoint method. Dear, just believe me, I am going to explain this one question. You can able to solve this type of question, find A inverse by using the adjoint method easily if you can able to understand this one. So you just concentrate. Now my aim is find out the minor. Now see how to find the minor, and just write down determinant of A over here, because I need this. Determinant of A is 10. I got one thing. Now I'm going to find out the minor, that is the M11. M11, how to find out the M11? Try to understand. See, M11, again for your understanding, I am just going to write down the position of all the element 21, 22, 23, 31, 32 and 33. Now my dear, minor of 1 1. So 1 1 present is, see, it's in first row, first column. So you just remove the element or just forget the element from first row and first column. So write down 2 4 0 5. Again solve the determinant. You are going to get as a 10. The difference between finding the minor and solve the determinant, in determinant we are multiplying from the first row element, but while finding the minor we are not supposed to multiply with the first row element. Again M12 says 1 2, that is this one, first row second column. So it's a 0 4, first row second column, 0 4 0 5. So what happened my dear? It's again 0 0 0 1 1 1 2. Come on, M13 1 3. And in board exam you are going to get 3 to 4 mark question based on this, like find the A inverse by adjoint method, row transformation or column transformation. Now 1 3, forget the first row and third column. It's a 0 2 0 0. Your answer will be 0. Now try to understand. Again we have to find out M21, M22, M23, 31, M32 and M33. Dear, try to understand. In exam, again I am repeating, you are not supposed to use this one. If you are doing it well and good, otherwise no need to write down this determinant. Directly you can write down the answer, like how I am going to write down for these 6. So 2 1 is here. So remove the first column and second row. So what happened? 5, you see 2 5s are 10 minus 0, that is 10. Next one my dear, 2 2 is this, second row second column, second row second column. So it's a 1 3 0 5, that is 5 only. 2 3 means this one, second row third column. So it's a 1 2 0 0, gives you 0. Next one 3 1 means this one. So first column third row, 2 3 2 4. So 2 4, it's a 8 minus 6. See, 8 minus 6, that is 2. Now next one dear, 3 2. Try to understand my dear. 3 2. This one, 3 2 present in the third row second column. So third row second column, 1 4 0 3. I am repeating once again. 3 2 means this one, present in the second row, this row, see this column and this row. So you just eliminate the element from this row and this column. So what happened? ये गया and ये 1 3 0 4. So it's a 1 3 0 4. 1 4 it's a 4 and it's a 0, that is 4. And last one 3 2. 3 2, that is the 5. Sorry, it's a 3 3. 3 3 it's a 5. So this one, third row, third column. So it's a 1 2 0 2, that is 1 2. So it's a 2. Now we got the minor. Next we have to find out the cofactor. Now dear, to find out the cofactor, we have to just work out the formula. Aij is nothing but -1 raised to I plus j into mij. This is the formula to find out the cofactor. Now see here, I am going to find out the cofactor. Just for your sake of understanding, I am going to change the pen. 1 1 1 2 1 3. It's A21, A21, A22, A23. This is A31, A32. It's A33. Now my dear, try to understand. Aij, that is 1 1 minus 1. I am doing 1 for you. Minus 1 raised to I plus j. Try to understand. This is I, this is j. This is I, j. So I plus j is 1 plus 1. Mij is a minor of this. So what is the minor of this? Multiply by 10. So your answer will be -1 raised to even power gives you positive. So it's a 10 only. So if -1 power odd gives you negative, -1 power even gives you positive. So here dear, it's a 0 0 only, 0 0 only. Now here it's a 10. 2 plus 1, that is 3. -1 raised to 3 gives you negative value. 2 plus 2, 4, it's a even, again positive. It's a 0. 3 plus 1, 4 is again even, positive. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is a 5 means it's a odd. -1 raised to odd, that is -4. And next one is a even, that is 2. Now with the help of, we got the cofactor. Now next job is to find out the adjoint. To find the adjoint, my dear, you have to convert, you have to find out the matrix. You have to find out this matrix with cofactor, like new matrix. So it's a 10 0 0, then -10 5 0 2 1 2 2 2 3, then 3 1 2 -4 and 2. Now remember one thing, we have to find out the adjoint. So adjoint of A, we have to find out the transpose of this matrix. My dear, try to understand what do you mean by the transpose of the matrix. You have to convert, it's a row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. You have to convert row to column or column to row. That is called as the transpose of the matrix. So transpose of this matrix gives you the adjoint of A. So it's a 10 0 0 -10 5 0 2 -4 and it's a 2. So it's a, we got the adjoint of A. I'm repeating once again. You have to find out the minor, M11 12 13 so on and so forth. Cofactor 11 12 13 21 22. Then adjoint of A. To find out the adjoint of A, first and foremost you have to frame the matrix by using this cofactor. Then find out the transpose of this matrix. That gives you the adjoint of A. Now next part, to find the determinant of A. Dear, try to understand. To find the determinant of original matrix, you have to find out the determinant of this matrix. Try to understand. In board exam, students finding the determinant of this matrix, which is wrong, which is 100% wrong. You have to find out the determinant of the original matrix, that we already have done this. Now we got the determinant of A and adjoint of A. Now our aim is to find A inverse. So A inverse formula says 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this is nothing but 1 by determinant. Determinant is got 10 into adjoint of A. Adjoint is 10 minus 10, 2, 0, 5, minus 4, 0, 0 and 2. This is the A inverse. In this way, you have to find out the A inverse by adjoint method. I am repeating once again. To find A inverse by adjoint method, you have to find out the minor, cofactor, adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, whatever you got the cofactor, just frame the matrix like this. Find out the transpose of this, will give you the adjoint of A. Don't forget to find out the determinant of original matrix, not with this matrix. Then A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is your first concept to find A inverse by adjoint method. Thank you.